First of all, open Play Store and search for G Reward. I already installed, so I will open. After installing, click Open. After opening, create an account. Click on Continue with Google. Then select any account you want. Select your gender and age. Congratulations, it's done. You can earn by watching ads and buy mobile recharge plus cards. And remember, use my referral. Use my referral to get 500 coins. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enter my referral here. App link in comment box. After, click Submit and enjoy.
Thank you.